Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a good tutorial. I want to teach you how to use icon and SVG in your React Native mobile application. So it's very simple. It's a very simple method, and the resources to make it very simple be created for we develop. So I know most of us don't have idea of how to do this, but in this video I'm going to teach you how to use any type of icon or SVGs in your React Native application. So this is the particular mobile application I am currently building. It's a utility bills mobile app where you can pay for your airtime, data, batteries, data, electricity, TVs, and all sorts of utilities that you wanna make payments for. So you can top up balance with available banks. But what we are focusing on today is want to add icons. Want to be able to use icons and then yeah. So let's get into the video and let me teach you how you're gonna be doing this. So the first step you need to do is there's a particular website called your React SVGR. So let me close this particular model and open website again. So just type SVGR on your Google and click on enter. So you will click on the playground. So once you click on the playground, you will be redirected to this interface. On this interface, you will select React Native, and if you are using TypeScript, you will select TypeScript, or if you are using JSX, you won't select TypeScript because you need to just click on Dimension and React Native. Dimension is very useful. I'll tell you the reason why Dimension is very useful. But right now, which I'm going to select TypeScript. So I'm going to I'll be using Fig to get my icons. So this is the wallet I wanted to create here. As you can see, I already added this icon here. So now once you add this particular icon also, so this particular icon here. So first thing I'm going to do is click on the icon. So let me if the icon is attached to a particular component, I can detach it. So I'll click on detach instance. So once I detach the icon, I'll click on it and drag it outside. I can just drag it outside, or I should do it here. You can see we have the icon outside already. So let me show you here. Use the icon. Use the icon here. So we already duplicated it. So we need to drag it outside. So once it is outside here, you can group it. So you will click on group. So it will be grouped. So once it is grouped, we click on, you come to your exports here, and you will export it. So once you export it, you can name it anything. Let me anything else. You will click on save, and it's going to save in your download folder. This is it here. This is it here. To save your download folder. If you can't see this type of the package, you can go to your Finder and go to download to also be there. So it's very easy for you to have access. Those we need to go back to that SVGR website. So you will just click on this particular icon that you just click and drag it and drop it on this SVGR website. So once you are done doing it, you will notice that the code, a particular code was set for us. So you click on the copy button here. So once we click on the copy button, you will notice that it is now copied. So if you go back to your React, to your application, so once you are there, you will go to your assets. So I wanted to add this icon to my assets, so I can let me add it on my form icon. So I can create for a new file. So I can call it ATM ship.tsx. So you're going to create a .tsx file that is going to represent that particular icon. So I created ATM ship and I .tsx file, and I pasted the code that I copied from SVGR websites. I pasted it here. So I will need to rename this SVGR, this SVG component. So ATM sheets. So now I'll be able to use. So let me go back to this thing package to add the icon. So it's very simple to add that particular icon. So I will just need to come over here and import, just find the name of the iPhone by just see the TXT file. So once you've done that, we're noticing that the icon has been imported and it's out display on your mobile application. So that's a very simple way to bring iPhone in React Native. And guess what? This particular icon increase size, and you create maybe the icon is too small, you want it to be more bigger. You can go back to your SVGR website. You can see the width is 25 and the height is 20. Change this particular width to, let's say, 35, and this should be let's say 25. Okay, so now we have in particular width and height here one. So we just need to copy this from this SVG, from this opening SVG to the closing SVG. Just need to copy it. So once we copy this, we can replace it here. So let me replace it from the opening SVG to the closing SVG, and let me paste it here. So go ahead and paste. Let me paste it here. So as you can see, we have a bigger icon. So that is a very simple way to use mobile icon or SVG in React Native. I think you guys learned a new method of using icon on your React Native. This is the best way and most simplest way. And you know what? It's not even taking a lot of storage on your application, and it makes your application work very fast. The performance will be bright, and you will really love the way. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and I will also be dropping more tutorial and more knowledge how to use how to work with React Native. So thank you. I am Adeweb. Another Adeweb.